King Bangsa. It gives me real pleasure to share with you all today this story that I have written in my creative writing class, Splash's Journey, the power of teamwork and confidence. In the heart of the warm Hawaiian waters, the ocean is glistened with shades of turquoise and deep blue. Beneath the surface, the water was as clear as crystal, revealing the vibrant coral reefs and colorful fish swimming playfully through the seaweed. For Splash, the dolphin, this was home, a world with endless adventures and boundless freedom. Unlike the sleek, slender dolphins that often race through waves, Splash was a bit rounder, with a soft, shiny belly and bubbly personality. She has a heart as big as the ocean. However, not all sea creatures saw Splash the same way. It started with whispers. At first, it was subtle, a passing heron flicking its tail with a laugh, or a sea turtle rolling her eyes when she swam by. But soon, it became bolder. The fish, who once considered her a friend, began to mock her. They called her beach ball or slowpoke, making mean jokes about her body shape. "You're too slow, Splash. You'll never keep up with us," said the pod of dolphins. Splash's heart sank as the cruel words stung, but she tried her best to smile. She loved everything about herself, but constant teasing made her feel smaller than she ever had before. But Splash wasn't going to let that defeat her. The size of her body doesn't define her worth. It's the strength of her heart and bubbly spirit that makes Splash special. She was ready to stand up for herself. With a deep breath, Splash returned to the coral reef. She stood tall, her head held up high with confidence, and faced the mocking crowd. "I know I'm big and may not look like you, but I'm stronger than you think. I'm part of this beautiful ocean. So as all of you," Splash said firmly. The fish paused, and for a moment, the ocean fell silent. Slowly, they realized that their teasing had caused her pain. They didn't mean to be cruel, but they had been inconsiderate. Just as the other fish started to murmur an apology, a loud rumble echoed through the water. A massive wave swept over the coral reef, sending the smaller creatures scattering. A tsunami was coming. Splash tried to swim, but the current was too powerful. She was tossed around, and suddenly she found herself trapped in a tight crevice between the jagged rocks. The other fish swam away, desperately seeking for shelter, but Splash was trapped, struggling to escape. Just as she started to panic, she heard a familiar voice. "Splash, hold on, I'm coming." It was Huggy, the gentle giant, who is known for his intelligence and kindness. He has a heart full of courage and has always been there for Splash, even when others weren't kind to her. "Huggy, I'm scared. Move," said Splash, her voice trembling. "Don't worry, I've got you." His long, strong arms reached out. He skillfully maneuvered the coral, pulling and shifting it bit by bit. With a powerful pull, the coral opened wide enough for Splash to slip free. Splash was shaken, but grateful. "Thank you, Huggy. I don't know what I would have done without you," Splash said, her heart still racing from the terror of being trapped. "You would have done the same for me," Huggy said with a big smile. "Now we have to help the others. The storm isn't over yet." Both of them swam quickly through the turbulent waters, rescuing fish that had been trapped or swept away by the tsunami. One by one, they rescued the fish from the crevices and swollen current, sending them towards safer waters. The effort was exhausting, but both Splash and Huggy did not give up. Their collective effort turned challenges into triumphs, until the last of the trapped fish escaped from the dangerous current, and the water finally calmed around them. "Whoa, what a day," Huggy sighed with relief. His arms were tired, but his heart was full. Splash, gasping for breath but grinning ear to ear, gave Huggy a wink. "You're amazing, Huggy!" Huggy chuckled, his round eyes twinkling with warmth. "Teamwork, Splash. We make a great pair." As the sun set over the Hawaiian waters, the two friends floated together in the now calm sea. The ocean had returned to its peaceful state. Splash and Huggy had done it. They had rescued the fish from the turmoil and helped to restore their home. As always, they knew that no matter what challenges would come next, they would always tackle each challenge together. From that day onwards, Splash regained her confidence, knowing that she didn't need to change for anyone. And whenever someone tried to bring her down, she would stand tall and remind them that she was strong and brimming with self-confidence. Being different is perfectly fine. Thank you.